Annapolis has 34 days of inventory right now, selling 3.7 homes per day. It's Friday, May 10th, 2024. Happy Mother's Day weekend to moms everywhere. Celebrate with mom on one of the Bay cruises, brunch at the Treaty of Paris, or music and wine at the Great Frogs Winery. Check out more events on our events calendar at www.kineticrealtyinc.com. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory in Annapolis rose again this past week to 127 homes for sale. 30 hit the market and 26 are coming soon. 30 homes went under contract in 7 median days since last report. While the number of homes going under contract is the same as last report, the days before the seller got an offer rose to 7 days, 2 days longer than previously. 19 homes sold in 5 days at 100.9% list-to-sold ratio. There are currently 29 rentals available at $3,000 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 10th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.